Hey everybody, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Got a package in the mail. It says here, Nifty Lift. These things do stick well. Oh, I feel a plastic box. Neat. So we have a plastic case, and inside, oh, it's smaller than I thought. Interesting. So this is the Nifty Lift. Weighs 1.4 pounds, lifetime warranty, ball bearings, solid aluminum construction, stainless steel bolts, 700 pounds capacity. This is really cool. It comes with, there's some rope here. I'm going to have to check it all out. Looks like it's got, I'm not sure, here's some instructions inside the case. Designed for manual lifting, lowering and pulling. Do not use where loss of life or injury may result. Of course, don't stand under a load. First thing is warnings. Maximum load is 700 pounds. Well, there's some details I'll go over. I'm not sure what the burlap bag is. I'll have to check that out. So what we have here is a quite solid feeling. Very, very solid. It's looks just like my deer gambrel. I'm gonna have to cut that off. Let me get some scissors. He says you can use it for pulling, lifting, and all kinds of stuff. 700 pounds capacity. That must be some special material there. So what we have here is a pretty rugged block and tackle system that reminds me of my deer gambrel in the garage. It's too late for deer for now for me. It looks like, I mean, look at how small it is. It's so convenient. That would be the absolute perfect. Imagine taking that on the back of your quad off in the middle of the forest to hoist your deer up on a tree when you get it. I just cut the rope, the tie on the rope. There's a lot of cord on there. So it's a very simple system. So there's a lock in here, so you can adjust it freely and then pull, and it locks in place. So it cannot proceed to drop down. So obviously this is going to be your top and this is your bottom. And there's your locking mechanism. I don't know if you can see the teeth in there to lock that rope in place. Really, I mean, solid, heavy aluminum construction. You can feel the heft in it. Made in USA, by the way, by veterans. US flag on there. Made by veterans. Now, some of the things this has been used for in the past range from anywhere from bug out bags, hunting, logging, lowering things into your cellar or basement, lifting stumps, lifting stuff into the attic, beams, lumber, sheetrock, truck tops, canoes, hanging hammocks, moving boulders, and getting unstuck. 700 pounds capacity. It'll be interesting to see what kind of uses I can come up with for this. So you got here some hefty aluminum hardware to tie it down with, top and bottom. You can put your deer gambrel on there and hoist it up wherever you are. One important thing to note though, as with any sort of a block and tackle or pulley system, the lock is not meant to hold it long term. So for your safety, that's a temporary lock or like a brake while you're lifting, and then you can tie down the end of the rope to support your load while you work, whatever it is you're doing. I can see using this to help me get logs on the lumber mill later on in the spring. Right now we're heading into deep winter, but I have a feeling that this is going to show up on my videos a lot in the future, during the next coming year. So I'm going to take this out in the field and we'll mess around with it. Take it everywhere we go. My wife and I will keep it with us and see what kind of uses we can come up with for this. Especially we got winter. I'd be curious if we could. It'd be very interesting if we could help somebody out of the snow, for example, connecting this to a tree, because that's one of the things that was mentioned as possible uses for this. So pretty cool little device. I also can foresee me using this over by the log splitter to help me haul logs onto the log splitter better. I've got to come up with an end here, maybe a chain or something, and fashion a frame. I can lift those logs instead of bursting a gut trying to get those big oak logs onto that log splitter. This is going to save me some pain. Well guys, this is just unboxing, but I can tell you, my first impressions. Comes with a nice case, nice hefty construction. I'm not sure what this is for. Probably throw it in there to keep it from bouncing around or whatever. But I can see this going on deer hunting trips. I can absolutely see this going on deer hunting trips. Look at the size of that in the case. And if you want to ditch the case and even have lighter weight pack, that takes up nothing in your pack. You can throw that in your pocket and go out deer hunting with that. That is incredible. I mean, that's the first thing I think of 100% is deer hunting right there. That reminds me. So I'm sure we'll find some uses here in the homestead in the next weeks. By the way, for now, you can check out the links down below and go ahead and get yourself one right now, the Nifty Lift, nifty-lift.com, and stay tuned for full reviews and real-world field testing coming soon. Well, thank you guys for letting me try this out, and thank you guys out there in YouTube and DIY Tube for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and follow our videos as we strive to become fully self-sufficient and off the grid on a budget. Having tools like this, pocket size and handy, definitely helps with self-sufficiency. You don't have to ask for help and you get stuck in a bind. Talk to you all later.